of the superstitions that Muslims today have, tomorrow I have a flight. I don't know, should I take it or not? What should I do? I come to the Quran. I open the Quran. If I put paradise, Alhamdulillah, Bismillah. If it's hellfire, no, I'm not going. If it's malaika, Bismillah. If it's shaitan, I will not go. Is this permissible? This is insulting the Quran. This is not istikhara. This is like drawing the lots. You know drawing the lots? Al-istiqsamu bil-azlam. The Arabs used to do this. Whenever they wanted to go, they had 3 straws in a bag. One has written on it, go ahead. The other one, don't go ahead. The third one, repeat. See, no, seriously. This is serious, I'm not joking, huh? Sometimes I say things people don't know if it's true or wrong. No, this is serious. This disclaimer. So before they go, they just, if it says go, they go. If it say don't go, they don't go and try it tomorrow. If it say repeat, they repeat. So when you do this with the Quran, you're doing the exact thing. It's not permissible. Okay, what about flipping a coin? The same concept. Should I go or should I stay? I should stay. Heads or tails. The same concept. And all of these things show us that our religion is not based on superstitions. It's not based on things that we hear or we see or from Tom, Dick and Harry. It's based on Quran and Sunnah. The most important thing is that your heart is connected only with Allah, not with the means, not with something that initiates you to do or to stop. No, I want to do, I will do it. Prayed istikhara, I'm going to travel. Khalas. If I hear something positive, I say, Alhamdulillah, my hopes are higher in Allah because I think positively Allah. If I hear something that is negative, I would not care because I think highly of Allah, and this is what true tawakkul is, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Wa sallallahu wa sallam wa baraka ala nabiyyina Muhammad.